If you are someone who live in UAE, seeing luxury environment daily, living in a bustling city where the hum of traffic and constant rush of people, tired of honking cars and sound of feet tapping against the pavement, hustle and bustle in the metro stations, this video is for you to escape the urban rush and to find a green space. So today I'm going to take you to a green space located in UAE, which will help you to escape the city life for few hours at least and spend some time with nature. So you will be able to listen to the birds chirping sound, calm your busy mind by seeing flying butterflies and feel the nature, also to breathe some clean air. So join with me to explore the Noor Island, Sharjah. If you are living in Dubai who is using a public transport, you can take a bus from Deira bus station or Union bus station. But I suggest you to take a bus from Deira because it takes only 24 minutes to reach Sharjah. From Deira to Sharjah, King Faisal Road, bus number E307, which will cost you 12 dirham and 24 minutes to reach. From Union to Sharjah King Faisal Road, bus number E303, which will cost you the same amount 12 dirham but 44 minutes to reach Sharjah. Also, you can drive from Ajman within 30 minutes, Ras Al Khaimah within 1 hour and 5 minutes, and from Abu Dhabi 1 hour and 45 minutes. Entrance to the Noor Island is easily accessible via a pedestrian bridge from this Sharjah Corniche or by boat. Before you enter to the Noor Island, you can experience the beauty of this Corniche area with a breathtaking view of the waterfront, serene walkways and romantic sunsets if you visit here in the evening, same like me. So now I am at the Noor Island entrance, but the sad thing is the security did not allow me to take my tripod inside because of a security reason.
Hello.
Hi, good evening.
He allow you to stand for stand.
Sorry?
He allow you stand.
Yeah.
You can use stand.
Why it's not allowed?
Not allowed.
Oh, only the stand?
Yes, only the stand.
Why?
Is not allowed.
So,
if we allow them, because there is many people are going here and there, so everybody will need stand and they will bring a stand. And you can keep somewhere and make your video. This is not allowed.
it's not allowed.
Wait, let me confirm.
Please,
if he
can you
give
please?
permission.
Yes,
so I
please.
can.
Very big help.
5 and 2 kids.
2 kids.
So I purchased a ticket for 50 dirham to enter to the Noor Island for the whole island tour plus the butterfly garden. If you are taking only the island tour, it will be 35 dirham only. When entering to the right side of the Noor Island, first we can see this Noor Cafe and Butterfly House. I was super happy to see how the architectures blended the modern architectural methods and nature. The golden color roof with flowers and leaves decoration took this Noor Island's architecture into another level because I see this place as the heart of this Noor Island. The Noor Cafe has an outdoor seating area, also an indoor seating area. The entrance of the Butterfly House is at the inside of this golden color pavilion.
Wow, thank you. Mami, ako din. Ay. Video ate kasi nabuka ang pakpak mo. Yan na rin sa kakaya ko. Well, dapat na buka-buka. Ilang. Yan na, may alisin mo. Nakabuka ka sa hindi mo nabuka yung pakpak kaya. Yan! Yan! Miss Butterfly! Miss Butterfly!
I highly recommend to take some time from your rushed life to see this butterfly house. Especially if you visit here, you will see vivid colors of butterflies, and also their wings seem like living pieces of art, each intricate pattern a masterpiece of nature. Also, this house is often filled with lush greenery, exotic plants, and blooming flowers. If you are an artist or someone who loves to do painting, you can have an amazing time by doing art in nature. But you need to buy a different package to do this activity. Next, we are going to see the swing installation where we can see the most beautiful sunset in Sharjah. An evening with the sunset in front of the skyline and water is a moment of pure magic, a reminder of the beauty that emerges when the natural and man-made worlds coexist in harmony. It's a feeling yet unforgettable scene that inspires me to find the nature in my busy life to make my soul happy. When you pass the swing installation, you can see the two large fossil rocks which make as a symbol of guardians of this island. This 90 centimeter illuminated rock crystal found in Brazil in 1995, which is about 300 million years old. The egg-shaped OVO installation skillfully combined wood, LED lighting and water to create a stunning visual treat and an all-encompassing sensory experience. This takes us into a fantasy world with a wondrous play of light and animation as you walk through the domed structure to the pavilion's two portals over a reflective water pool. It is a shining example of conceptual and design brilliance. Al Noor Island is a serene sanctuary where nature, art, and modern architecture seamlessly converge. This enchanting retreat captivates visitors with its lush gardens, vibrant butterfly house, and striking art installations. As the sun sets, the island transforms into a magical wonderland illuminated by artistic lighting that enhances its dreamy ambience. Al Noor Island is a harmonious blend of creativity and tranquility, offering an inspiring escape from the urban rush. If you are someone who loves to be with nature, tired of UAE busy life, I highly recommend you to visit Al Noor Island to reset your mind and to make your soul happy.